Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can occur due to various reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware failure. If not addressed promptly, these problems can lead to further damage or data loss, so it's essential to act quickly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on the diagnosis. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your HP EliteBook. Be careful to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, locate the battery or the power supply connection. If it's the battery that is causing the issue, carefully disconnect the battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place, and gently lift it out. Ensure you note the orientation of the battery for reinstallation. If you are replacing the power supply, locate the connector, disconnect any cables attached, and remove the screw securing it. When installing the new component, make sure to apply a firm but gentle pressure to secure it in place, ensuring not to over-tighten the screws as this can damage the device. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected, making sure they are secure but not overly tight. Once everything is back in place, align the back cover and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Power on your device to check if it works. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods. It's also a good idea to keep your software updated, as updates often contain fixes for known issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.